Hello my friend, I'm very happy to present you this bird. You have asked me something very special for the one loft races. This is good for 100 to 700 km. This is from the Oliver bloodline. His father is a proven racing bird. It's a direct son from Oliver. Mother is also one of the top racing hens in our loft. The pigeon is molting now, but it will be beautiful once it arrives in your place. Look here. What a beautiful eye. It's a very strong, very strong cock. See, one darker eye and one light eye. Very nice. Very special.